The year is 2018. Japan, a nation known for its resilience and technological advancements, is about to face one of its most formidable challenges. Typhoon Jebi, one of the most powerful storms to hit Japan in decades, slams into Kansai International Airport. The storm's ferocity is unmatched, with winds reaching speeds that tear through the landscape, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Images flash across the world, a tanker smashing into the bridge connecting the airport to the mainland, a critical lifeline severed in an instant. The sheer force of the impact is a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable power. Stranded passengers huddled in the darkened terminal, their faces etched with worry and uncertainty. The airport, a symbol of connectivity, now feels like an isolated island, cut off from the rest of the world. The damage is extensive, the disruption immense. Debris is scattered everywhere, and the infrastructure, once a marvel of modern engineering, now lies in tatters. Yet, amidst the chaos, there's a glimmer of hope. As the storm clouds begin to part, the first rays of sunlight illuminate the path to recovery. People come together, united in their determination to rebuild. Kansai Airport, this seemingly fragile island of concrete and steel, has weathered the storm. Its buildings, though battered, still stand, a testament to the strength of human ingenuity. Battered but unbroken, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and a stubborn refusal to back down in the face of nature's fury. The airport's resilience is a beacon of hope, a symbol of the indomitable human spirit. The storm served as a stark reminder of the airport's vulnerability. The forces of nature are relentless, and Kansai Airport, despite its advanced design, is not immune to their wrath. Built on an artificial island in the middle of Osaka Bay, Kansai is exposed to the full wrath of the Pacific Ocean. The location, chosen for its strategic importance, also places the airport in the direct path of powerful typhoons and other natural disasters. Typhoons, earthquakes, and the constant threat of subsidence are just some of the challenges faced by this engineering marvel. Each of these threats poses a unique set of problems, requiring innovative solutions and constant vigilance. Jebi's aftermath underscored the precarious balance between human ambition and the unforgiving power of the natural world. The airport's existence is a delicate dance between progress and preservation. The story of Kansai Airport, however, is not just a tale of challenges overcome. It is a narrative of relentless pursuit, of dreams turned into reality through sheer determination and cutting-edge technology. The airport's construction, a daring feat of engineering, captured the imagination of the world. It was a project that pushed the boundaries of what was possible, a bold statement of human capability. The sinking of the island, a constant concern, has been met with innovative solutions. Engineers have devised methods to counteract the subsidence, ensuring the airport remains operational and safe. In the wake of Jebi, as Kansai Airport slowly limped back to life, the world watched with bated breath. The recovery process was painstaking, but it was also a powerful demonstration of human perseverance. The answer, as we shall see, lies in the very foundation of this improbable airport, a foundation built not just on concrete and steel, but on sheer human will. Kansai Airport's story is far from over. It is a continuing saga of resilience, innovation, and the unyielding spirit of humanity. The story of Kansai Airport begins not with a blueprint, but with a problem. By the 1980s, Osaka, Japan's second-largest city, faced an acute shortage of airport capacity. Its existing airport, located in a densely populated area, was bursting at the seams, hemmed in by urban sprawl and facing fierce opposition to expansion from local residents. The noise pollution and the constant buzz of aircraft were becoming unbearable for the people living nearby. The city needed a solution, and fast. The solution, as bold as it was unconventional, was to build a new airport. But not just any airport. This airport would be built on an artificial island, rising from the waters of Osaka Bay. The project was audacious, ambitious, and fraught with challenges. Building an airport on land was one thing. Building it on a man-made island in an earthquake-prone region surrounded by seawater was an entirely different proposition. Yet, the need for a new airport was critical. Osaka, a global hub for commerce and industry, needed a gateway to the world, an airport that could handle the increasing volume of international travel and trade. The decision was made. Kansai International Airport would be built, no matter the cost or complexity. The challenges were immense. The seabed was unstable, the waters were deep, and the threat of earthquakes loomed large. But the engineers and planners, unfazed by the scale of the task, embarked on what would become one of the most ambitious engineering projects in history. The world watched with a mixture of awe and skepticism as a small army of dredgers, cranes, and construction workers descended upon Osaka Bay, ready to wrestle an island from the sea. The construction process was a marvel of modern engineering, involving the use of cutting-edge technology and innovative techniques. The artificial island had to be built to withstand the forces of nature. Engineers designed it to endure the seismic activity common in the region and the relentless assault of the sea. Massive seawalls were constructed to protect the island from waves and potential tsunamis. The construction of Kansai International Airport was not just about building an airport, it was about creating a symbol of resilience and innovation. It was a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As the project progressed, the world watched in anticipation. The airport was not just a necessity for Osaka, it was a beacon of progress for Japan, and a marvel for the world. It promised to transform the region's connectivity and boost its economy. The construction process was a monumental task, involving deep-sea dredging operations and constant monitoring of seismic activity. The engineers had to ensure that the island would be stable and safe for the airport's operations. The project required meticulous planning and execution. Engineers and planners worked tirelessly, overcoming numerous obstacles and challenges. Their dedication and expertise were crucial in bringing this daring vision to life.